Welcome to this technical guide on the Medion X7841. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Medion X7841 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can arise from various reasons, such as a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or even internal connection problems. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage and potentially result in more costly repairs down the line. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, a replacement battery or power supply depending on the issue, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static discharge. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the Medion X7841. Store these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging the casing. Now, let's locate the power supply or battery, which is often the culprit in power issues. You may need to disconnect some cables to gain access. Carefully note where each cable connects, as you will need to reconnect them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've located the faulty component, gently remove it from its housing. If you're replacing the battery, ensure the new one matches the specifications of the original. When inserting the new component, make sure to apply even pressure and avoid forcing it into place. Reconnect all cables carefully, ensuring they are properly seated in their respective connectors. After assembling the device back together, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Now, it's time to test if your Medion X7841 powers on. If it does, congratulations on completing the repair. If not, you may need to revisit the connections to ensure everything is in order. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly maintain your device by keeping it clean and avoiding exposure to extreme temperatures. Additionally, consider replacing the battery if it shows signs of wear over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.